If you have a Bunsen burner in your classroom, then you definitely need a safe and reliable way to light them. The spring-loaded handle holds a piece of flint, which can easily be replaced. The lighting file is enclosed in a protected hood that helps trap the gas to make lighting easier. When you are using the lighter, don't just squeeze the handle to get a spark. You need to apply some downward pressure to press the flint into the lighting file. You want to do a few practice strikes to make sure you get a good spark and not just squeeze it. Make sure that the gas supply to your lab station is on, but don't turn the handle on yet. Make sure the Bunsen burner settings are correct, then just turn the gas and create a spark. To replace the flint, lift up on the arm and remove it from the hood. Then simply unscrew the head that contains the piece of flint. Replace it with a new unit, and then you will just reverse the process, screwing it onto the arm, lifting it up, and placing it back in the hood.